Hey, how's it going, boat boys?
I'm Paul, this is Jeff, and we are Gunpla SA.
Yeah. Welcome to another Build Meet vlog. Yes.
Yeah. So again.
Hi, Build Force.
Say hello, everybody. Yay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
So this
Big
one
sign
we've
in the
got some
mail.
cool announcements. But yeah.
Remember this guy?
Yes. Before we get to the new announcement, let's do a quick
Let's get
recap.
this one.
Yes.
So remember this guy? So somebody's going to win this tomorrow. In fact, maybe
Not tomorrow. The entry is closing tomorrow.
Yeah, the entry's closing tomorrow.
So just a reminder, this is our lucky charm raffle draw for the MG Shinanju Titanium finish. Yes. Yeah. So yes, like we mentioned, the raffle draw closed tomorrow, Sunday the 24th, and we'll do a draw in 2 weeks' time. Why 2 weeks' time? We want to do a special.
Because we're going to be at the Japanese Cultural Festival.
Yes, yeah.
Yay! And that's going to be at Menlyn, Maine.
Yes.
That really cool mall that's next to the Menlyn shopping mall.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to be in the center square. In fact, actually, the whole of that mall is basically a Japanese Cultural Festival takeover.
Yes,
so you'll just find everything happening there.
Yeah, the date will be from the 5th of June, from Friday till Sunday the 7th of June, yeah. So lots of like cool stuff at the Japanese festival.
Well, we enjoyed the last one we were
will
at,
be
yeah.
there, with our Gunpla. And, if you haven't built a gun model kit before, or any model kits, come through and we'll show you guys,
Check it out,
Can pick up a kit there.
And
build,
we've generally enjoyed that show. It's always been a great time for us. And there's a lot of like stuff that...
diverse
there's
Japanese
a lot of
culture
diverse
stuff,
Japanese cultural things. There's Go, there's
Japanese Go.
Japanese calligraphy, there's a whole bunch of things. So go and check it out. Let us know if you thought it was cool.
Yeah, there's bonsais, the ikubanas, there's karate, There's obviously anime themed stuff as well.
Yeah.
Our friends at Starlight Hangar will also be there with the TCGs, the One Piece, the Dragon Ball, Gundam. Yeah, so come check us out there. So that's going to happen in 2 weeks' time. So it's like usually we have a build meet every 2 weeks. So that means we won't be here in the 2 weeks, but it's still open. If you guys want to come through to a build meet, hey,
And just to confirm, guys, Jeff, does that mean we're going to have a build meet here at the Nexus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then at Japanese Cultural Festival, are we also doing a build meet there?
Yeah, we're doing like the build meet as part of the
just so you guys know, on that same weekend, Jeff and I will be at the Japanese Cultural Festival doing a build meet, and we'll have a stall set up, and there will be one happening here
and
at the
Nexus.
Nexus.
Talks there as well, yeah.
Okay, so just so that you can mark that into your calendar.
Yes, yeah.
And by that time, we'll all know who won this guy.
Yeah, so we're going to do the draw we're going to film the vlog
be
at
live.
Japanese Festival. Yes, yeah.
Also, have you checked out Jeff's cool swag? Woohoo. That's what we used to call drip in my day.
Yes, drip, yeah.
Yeah, it's like...
So currently we're doing the pre-orders. Oh yeah,
yes,
you have
I've
yours.
got mine. Yes, hold on, there we go.
Yeah, so the pre-orders for these drips are also be closing.
these drips.
Yeah, are also closing
We're so
tomorrow.
hip and cool with the kids.
Exactly. So tomorrow is the last day to enter the raffle for the Shinanju and get the pre-orders in.
It'll be there's a timed pre-order thing. I don't know when we're gonna do these again. This is not to try and create scarcity. Just there's only so much winter.
Yeah.
So we just want to make sure all you guys are like snug and warm with your new, Build Force Gunpla SA drip.
Yes, exactly. So I think that covers most of it, hey?
Yeah. I hope we need a cringe count. I wonder how many people cringed every time we said drip. It's like reminds me of like when my parents say like
cringe?
dude.
I thought it was pretty hip.
I know, I think it's pretty hip. I don't know if it's like cool when it comes out of our mouths. Anyway, enough putting a spotlight on that, guys. Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for all your support.
Yes, and for making...
As always, good luck. Let's grab the little Shinanju there.
Yes.
Yeah. Good luck, guys. And as always, remember to take care of yourselves, take care of each other,
and
keep building joy.